there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm just going to be doing something quick and easy but ultra helpful. This will be to me and hopefully to you, and it's an Ikea hack using these desk tops that I don't use anymore as desks, and I will be making them into furniture dollies. My name is Danny, my channel's Our Humble Home, and thank you for joining me today. So I'm off to Bunnings and I'm actually looking for caster wheels. I wasn't sure if I would find what I wanted because I needed something that would fit into the plate that is screwed into the base of the Ikea desk. So it will have to fit into that particular hole there. It's a screw, and the legs that you buy at Ikea you can just screw in and screw out. When I use them for my makers overs, I will screw the legs in. When I'm finished I will screw them out and just store the thing under the bed, the tabletop. I found the pack of two, these little ones. They were two for $4, so $8 for four, and this particular one I think would be better too. I didn't end up getting it this time. They're $4.80 each, so it would cost me about $20. I think I might buy those next time for the smaller desktop, and that's what I decided to do. So I brought the wheels home and I'm just taking them out of the packet. They are little wheels and I just wasn't really sure how they would go on this big desktop. Ideally, probably, and as a desk it doesn't have leg in the middle, but I think it would suit having the caster in the middle, like one little caster sort of slap bang in the middle, because it sort of did bow a little. All I do now is, and it's as easy as this, just screw the caster wheels in, and this took me probably about 5 minutes. We had these desks and we did use all of them at some stage or another, but you know, the kids move out, they don't need them, you're using rooms for different things. I was going to throw them out and then I thought I'd sell them, but I'm so glad I kept them because it's a great hack. Actually, I use these desks, I used a smaller desk also in one of my recent dresser makeovers to actually screw legs in that I was painting because I didn't want to hold them, and they're hard to stand up when they've got a screw in them. So I screwed them into the little plates and I sprayed them. So that came in handy for that as well. It's as simple as that. Like I said, it took me about 5 minutes. This is an extra large dolly because I think dollies typically aren't that big. But if you can find a smaller Ikea tabletop, if you have any lying around your house that you're not using, it's just a fun and very, very useful hack. This will be useful for me because I have so many bedside tables at the moment sitting in the hallway, and I can just put them on this and wheel them out when I need them rather than trying to lug them all around. This was a short video today, but I hope it's extra helpful for you, and I know this is a great idea for me and it will come in really handy and it'll be really helpful. Thanks for watching today, and I'll see you all in next week's video. Have a great week and bye for now. Again, I didn't think there'd be enough, so I actually mixed the two together, and I didn't mind the colour really. It's a nice pink, although I did add a bit of black to make it more of a dirty pink, and then I added some calcium carbonate to make some chalk paint. So I used 2 tablespoons of that, just dissolved in some water, and added it to the paint.